Welcome back, everyone. So in the last session, we actually created a function and we just returned the data of those argument which was created in a function in the global form, and we just used it in our syntax. But actually, as you can see, there are still a lot of things are missing in this code, and there are a little flaws in the code, and that's what we're gonna work on next. Uh, One of the flaw which I was looking for is for the MAC address flaw. If I change the MAC address to like let's say ABC, and then if I run the script again and changing it back to the same MAC address, it won't show me an error, but it will show that your MAC address is successfully changed. So I want that like if I already changed the MAC address and I'm still entering the same MAC address, it should throw me an error or say like you have already entered this MAC address and like your MAC address cannot be changed. So to do that, we're gonna use regular expression. So what is regular expression? Actually, a regular expression is a sequence of characters that define a search pattern. Usually search patterns are used by string searching algorithms or for finding and replacing stuff, and sometimes it's used in input validation. So we're going to use those regular expression algorithms in our code so that we'll be able to find the specific MAC address. We'll be able to choose the specific MAC address, and we can after that we can compare in our code and get the results. So first of all, we're going to understand what is how to do the regular expression. So going on to the regular expression Python 3 documentation, we can see there are a lot of data is given, and we can see actually we have to import the RE module, and then we have to create a variable RE.search, and then it's stored in this variable, and then crook, and it is using these type of like strings so that it is able to find what is able to find this DEF. So we'll do something quite like a little same, but first we need to copy the text which you want to like regular use in regular expression, and this text is the one, and over here. So there's a very good website for it. It is known as Pythex. So Pythex is a regular expression editor. Over here, we can enter our test string, and on the top, we can enter our regular expression so that it will be like, so that we are able to match what we want. So right now, we'll use the regular expression cheat sheet, which is given in this website. And we can see like, let's say we use backslash, which will tell us it will be escaping special characters. Now let's see, there's so many if we want to select only digits in this string, we can do like minus d, and it will only select the digits in the whole text. And it's pretty helpful, like if there's a text, there's a huge text and we just want the numbers from it, so we can use this regular expression in the Python, and that's all. We'll get the output printed as all the numbers. So but here we actually want to select our let's say our MAC address. So what we need to do is we'll just use alphanumeric, because in the MAC address you can use 0, A, anything. So we'll go with alphanumeric. Let's go with W, W, and we give a column so that it knows we are separating it by column, and selected the MAC address, but it's not selecting the whole MAC address. So we're going to repeat the same as again and again and again and again and again. So 70 times you have to select this in order to get the MAC address. Wait a minute. Yeah, Now it is selected. There was an extra column over there. So now the MAC address is selected. So we're gonna use this regular expression in our next session. And we're gonna use this next regular expression in the code in the next session. So thank you guys for watching.